It all started out with me being in the space program. I was going to the moon, and I was in the Lunar Exploration Module. For some reason, my mission was to spin monkeys and see how they would perform on the moon. I had to check up on some of the monkeys to see how they were doing after liftoff. However, when I was taking one of the monkeys out of the cage, it bit me. The other astronaut with me on the LEM told me that I would have to leave because they didn't like me anymore, and that would compromise our mission. I went to the hatch of the LEM and looked outside. I discovered that we were actually in a forest. As I climbed down the ladder, I slipped and fell all the way to the ground. I tried to get up, but my knee hurt so badly that I couldn't walk. I was trying to walk away, but I kept falling because of my broken knee. At this point, Professor Dumbledore from Harry Potter walked out of the woods. As he came towards me, I asked him if he could heal my leg. He obliged, and once he was done healing it, wandered back off into the woods. I walked around for a while before I realized that I had landed on an asteroid instead of the Earth. I knew I had to escape the asteroid and report back to NASA. I wandered around until my knee started to hurt really badly again. I decided that I had to run as fast as I could so that I could find a doctor who could help me. However, I tripped on a rock and fell into a crater. The walls of the crater were so high that I couldn't climb out without my leg. I needed help to get out, but there was no one else on the asteroid with me. Then I saw a few broken parts of a spaceship, and I knew what I could do. I got some pipes and fuel and made a flare gun. I fired it off, and luckily my brother saw it. He built the rocket and flew up to save me. When I woke up, I had a cramp in my knee that was hurting really bad.